Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1971 Pontiac T37. Now, this is a sister to the Le Mans and Tempest. It's a T37. It is a factory T37 car. This car has been rotisserie restored. Had a body off, frame off restoration. And when they did the restoration, they chose to, hold on. There we go. They chose to go this route. Has an LS 5.3 liter engine under the hood. It's got a 4L60 automatic transmission. It has power steering, power brakes, got disc brakes on the front. Vintage air conditioning and heat. Very, very nice car. Very highly detailed engine compartment. It's got headers on it. And it wasn't just a slammed together 5.3 out of some wrecked vehicle. The engine was overhauled. Transmission was rebuilt. Interior is very nice. Leather seats, awesome door panels, carpet, wooden Pontiac steering wheel, tilt column, Dakota digital dash. The headliner is very nice. It's tight. Sail panels, package tray, rear seat, all very, very nice in this car. Jams. I got this car from a good friend of mine. One of his buddies passed away and he actually owned the car. And sad to say that George is no longer with us, but I did get a couple of his cars. So this is a beautiful car. It has pictures of the restoration right here. Little photo book, a bunch of receipts, invoices. Couple Pontiac magazines there. The jack and tire wrench or lug wrench is in there. Has new trunk seals, new door seals. The paint on this car is absolutely gorgeous. It was not the original color. I thought he said the original color might have been gold, but it's now this turquoise with a white top. And they couldn't have chosen a better color. This thing is just beautiful. The dashboard's very, very nice. It's got a custom sound stereo system in it. Dome lights work. Sun visors are in nice shape. The glass is all very nice in the car. Doors, hood, trunk, all the panels fit nice on it. Just an all-around awesome car. The price on this car is going to be $49,900. That's a great price for a great quality car. Battery's just a little bit weak on the car. If it needs a battery, we'll go ahead and replace the battery in it. Bright headlight indicator works. I'm not sure how to run this, but it does work. There, the air conditioning just kicked on. Wipers work. It's just a nice, well sorted out car. Cigarette lighter works. Air blows ice cold. Got the upgraded LED taillights in it, license plate lights. Got a really nice TRS aluminum radiator in it, serpentine belts, dual electric fans. $49,900. This car ought to be the next one sold. Say you can't buy a car like this for that kind of money. I'm trying to get the wipers off. $1,554 miles on the car since it was built. There, I think I finally got them shut off. That position right there is the, oh, no, they're still going. We'll take her out for a spin. The bottom side of this car is very, very nice as well. Wipers are going to start to piss me off here in a minute. If you turn really, really sharp, the front tires will scrub just a little bit. I turned the wheel pretty sharp there coming out. Might benefit from just a little bit smaller tire on the front. The stance is super nice, so it's got a set of Riddler wheels on it. Brand new wheels and tires. There. I think you gotta turn the switch. It actually clicks off. There we go. Runs really well. Gets right up, gets right with the program. Better slow her down a little bit here. Dash is gorgeous in this car. You can see how nice the paint is looking out over top of the hood. Yeah, this really should be the next car sold for $49,900. That's the price on it too. I probably should price this car at $59,900, but I'm not taking 45 grand for it, so it's $49,900. I won't change the price, but as nice a car as it is, and all the stuff that's done to it, should be more expensive, but the paint on it is slick and smooth. The car runs great. Just a beautiful automobile. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty cars every day. So give us a call on this gorgeous 71 Pontiac. A nice little center console in here. Got some cup holders down there. Fun car to drive. us a call. Thanks for watching. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Have a great day.